What if your team could learn any software just by asking how? No videos, no docs. Just ask and get walked through it live. Here's what training looks like today. A 20-minute video where you're pausing, switching tabs, squinting at screenshots that don't match what's on your screen anymore. A training doc that's been wrong since November. And a Slack thread that ends with, "Ask Sarah, she knows." Oh, and by the way, Sarah left last month. You could spend $100,000 on digital adoption platforms. You could generate another static screenshot guide or record a video that's outdated by next Tuesday. Or you could try something that actually works on day one. This is Guidely. It's a Chrome extension. Open it on any web application. Salesforce, HubSpot, Jira, anything. Ask a question. How do I create a new deal? And Guidely reads the page, understands the layout, and walks you through it, step by step, right on the screen. No integration, no setup, no IT ticket. Just go to the website you're working on, ask anything in your own words, and get guided instantly. Now here's the best part. Save that walkthrough as a guide. Share it with your team. They don't watch a video. They learn by doing it themselves on the real tool. And you see exactly who completed what. Add Guidely to Chrome. It's free. Your first guide takes 60 seconds. Stop repeating yourself. Let AI do the training.